Up here in the ceiling, we've got our water mains. So we run a cold, a hot, and a hot recirc. So the purpose of the recirc, it constantly makes the hot water go in a loop around the building, keeping it heated at all times instead of letting it cool down while it sits in the water pipes. So here is where it branches through to one side of the building, continues going straight, and in that corner over there, you can see it turns into the wall and it goes down below to the sink directly below us.